What we have here now is an animation which shows a binary pump, and you can see that a binary pump actually consists of two dual piston pumps in series. The speed of each piston pump determines the mixing ratio. The setup of the pumps in this animation shows each pump is operating at the same speed and therefore mixing the two solvents in a 50-50 ratio. Again, red plus blue equals purple. A binary pump can only mix two solvents at a time, so ternary and quaternary mixes are not possible. The mixing precision, however, is much better with a binary pump compared with a quaternary pump. Some systems can be supplied with a solvent selection valve on the front end of each pump, and this is used to choose for one of two possible solvents fed into the pump and saves changing lines over, but each pump can still only handle one solvent at a time.